bike check. This is a YZ250 FX. Probably the best bike I ever had. So let me tell you a little about it. So right here, we got a new radiator. It's not the stock one. It's because I really dented this style of radiator. I'll put a picture up and show you. And then right here, our clutch cover case, I put like a little hole in there. So we got a new one. This was pretty expensive, but it's all good. And then I got new plates. I put a crack through it. I don't know how. So I ordered some black ones. I'll put a picture up to show you. And then we got a new tire. It's a cheater. There it is. Shinko tire. And right here, I put kind of a lot of dents in my pipes. I should get a new pipe. And got a new front plate because a number plate. That's what it is. Because I snapped this. I got some new grips. The waffle, I like those. And I got new radiator plastic guards. And I haven't put this one on yet. The blue one is because I don't have the radiator yet. I ordered it, but it's on back order because the dang COVID. So it's just, I'm rocking the stock one. But yeah, this is my YZ250 FX dirt bike. Let's start it up. I know you guys are like, what is this kid doing? Yeah, I like that. So yeah, that's my bike. So thanks for watching and peace.